EOS cost estimates for the years 2023, 2025, 2030. In spite of mainstream thinking, we here fundamentally will especially give you the 10 years point-by-point cost expectations for EOS. The EOS has in short order certainly acquired extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers sort of are interested, and looking through the inquiries like especially is EOS a wise speculation? Is EOS most certainly worth purchasing in 2023? What will basically be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025 and 2030? How all things considered, high might EOS at any point go? Our aid will provide you with a thought of the EOS expected development and its cost expectation, all from exceptionally profound specialized examination to crucial past cost outlines in a fundamentally large manner. EOS especially past value examination as per the practically the most recent market information. Today the cost of EOS certainly is 61 cents, and EOS especially is as of now positioned number 56 in the whole crypto market in a significant way. The dissemination supply of EOS is 1,094,491,211, with a market cap of $665,989,533 in very most recent 24 hours in a very significant manner. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been somewhere near 1.99% in its ongoing cost esteem, in a kind of huge manner. Assuming we think about the 24-hour market cap of the EOS with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap truly is additionally in descending pattern. EOS sort of is as yet confronting a truly tough time jumping aboard, with sort of other crypto coins in the market in an unobtrusive way. The EOS is down to nearly 10.20% over the most recent 7 days. The coin basically is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could in a real sense serious areas of strength, however, we don't in every practical sense imagine that it would a productive resource in present moment, or so they basically thought. Inside the essentially most recent 30 days, the cost of EOS especially has been somewhere near CHNAGE%, wiping out an incredible normal cost of 63 cents from its by and large current cost in a huge manner. This unexpected descending development implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, and it very well may be a decent sort of purchase, a valuable open door for speedy speculation. The 90 days cost change essentially is near 44.63%, and the cost for the most part circled from a sort of least extremely normal worth of $1.04 to pretty greatest truly normal worth of $1.13. In the beyond 90 days, EOS truly is somewhere near 41.27%. with the most extreme truly normal cost of the coin was around $1.05, and the truly least typical value of was around $1.02 in beyond 4 months. EOS value gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030. We anticipate future EOS cost expectations. EOS estimates, by applying pretty profound most certainly fake learning specialized examination on the verifiable value information of EOS in a sort of significant manner. We basically give a valiant effort to gather genuinely most extreme verifiable information for the EOS coin, which incorporate exceptionally numerous elements like pretty past value, market cap, volume, and essentially more. On the off chance that you truly are looking to explicitly put resources into digital money market, fundamentally make a point to peruse our forecasts. As a matter of fact, EOS value expectation for 2023 as per our gauge. In 2023, the cost of EOS is supposed to reach at a genuinely least value level of 58 cents. The EOS cost can arrive at a most extreme worth of 66 cents, with the truly normal exchanging cost of 64 cents, which fundamentally is very huge. EOS value expectation for 2024. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the cost of EOS explicitly is truly anticipated to reach at an in every practical sense least worth of 90 cents in an unpretentious way. The EOS cost can arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of $1.09, with the typical exchanging cost of 93 cents, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. EOS Value Conjecture 2025-2026. The cost of EOS is truly anticipated to essentially reach at a fundamentally least degree of $1.30 in 2025, or so they for the most part thought. The EOS cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.55, with the typical cost of $1.34 all through 2025, which basically is genuinely critical. The cost of EOS by and large is in every way that really matters, anticipated to explicitly reach at a kind of least degree of $1.80 in 2026, in a quite enormous manner. The EOS cost can generally arrive at a really most extreme degree of $2.21, with the typical cost of $1.87 all through 2026, which explicitly is very critical. EOS value expectation for 2027. EOS cost really is gauged to arrive at a least degree of $2.59 in 2027, or so they thought. According to our discoveries, the EOS cost could sort of arrive at an extremely greatest degree of $3.12, with the fundamentally normal conjecture cost of $2.69, which is genuinely critical. EOS value expectation for 2028. As per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of EOS, in 2028, the cost of EOS generally is determined to truly be at around a base worth of $3.73, or so they thought. The EOS value worth can arrive at a sort of limit of $4.54, with the typical exchanging worth of $3.87 in United States dollars in a significant way. EOS value expectation for 2029. The cost of one EOS, in every practical sense, is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $5.35 in 2029, which truly is very huge. The EOS cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 6.48, with the typical cost of $5.51 all through 2029, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. EOS value expectation figure for 2030. According to the estimate and profound specialized examination, in 2030, the cost of EOS by and large is supposed to, in a real sense, reach at an essentially least value worth of $8.02. Incredibly, the EOS cost can generally arrive at a most extreme value worth of $9.28, with the typical worth of $8.24 in a very huge manner. EOS value expectation for 2031. The cost of EOS sort of is supposed to, in every way that really matters, reach at the very least worth of $11.10 in 2031. The EOS cost could arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $13.75, with the very normal exchanging cost of $11.51 all through 2031. Extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. EOS value expectation for 2032. EOS cost generally is conjectured to truly arrive at an, in every practical sense, least conceivable degree of $15.67 in 2032, which sort of is genuinely huge. According to our discovery,